Okay, service theater framework. So yung ating service hinahalin tulad o kino-compare sa isang theater performance. Okay, yung actors is yung service providers, yung theater is yung service environment, and so on and so forth. So kung maganda yung service yung delivery ng service natin, kasi pag sinabi mong service theater, scripted routine. Okay, routine routine yung service, yung kanilang pagse-serve nila is routine. Meron lang mga ilang dinadagdag for improvements at para maka-adapt sa changing of the times. Kasi 'di ba sa theater, 'di ba? Still the same old thing but meron lang ina-adapt na mangilan-ngilan. So meron pala sa business na tinatawag na service theater framework. So magandang natutunan natin at napag-aaralan natin. So maraming salamat sa mbaschool.com dahil doon at nalaman natin yun. So yun lang po.